Hey, welcome to my channel, Speak German with Ease. In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of German alphabets and their pronunciation. But here's a fun fact before we begin. Did you know that German has some letters and sounds that don't even exist in English? Intrigued? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be pronouncing every German letter like a true native. Let's start with the basics. The German alphabet is very similar to the English alphabet, but with a few unique additions. First up, the letter A. In German, it's pronounced like the A in father. Repeat after me. A. Next, we have the letter B. It's pronounced like the bay repeat. Bay. An example word is Bein, which means leg. The letter C is pronounced like Tseich, like T's in cats. Repeat one more time, Tsei. The letter D is pronounced de. Say it with me, de. A is pronounced I like English alphabet A. Repeat I. F is pronounced F, similar to English alphabet F. Letter G is pronounced gay. Repeat after me. Gay. H is pronounced as ha. Say it ha. Letter I is pronounced E, like English alphabet E. J is pronounced as yacht. One more time. Yacht. Letter K is pronounced as ka. Repeat. Ka. L is pronounced as L, similar to English alphabet L. M is pronounced as M, similar to English alphabet M. N is pronounced as N. Letter O is pronounced O. Repeat, O. P is pronounced pay. Say it, pay. Q is pronounced as ku. One more time. Ku. Letter R is pronounced Try to roll your R, S is pronounced S. Repeat, S. T is pronounced te. Say it, te. Letter U is pronounced as oo. Say it again. Oo. V is pronounced as fow. One more time. Fow. Letter W is pronounced as ve. Repeat again. Ve. X is pronounced ix. Say it, ix. Letter Y is pronounced upsilon. Repeat. Upsilon. Last letter from English alphabet Z is pronounced as set. One more time. Set. Let's repeat all the characters again one last time. Bay, say, day, A, F, gay, ha, A, yacht, ka, L, M, N, O, pay, ko, S, te, U, fau, ve, x, ypsilon, set. Now that you know the basic German alphabets, let's spice things up with some unique letters that make German truly special. The first special character is S-set. It looks like a beta sign. It sounds like a S. The other three special characters are called umlauts. Sounds like a strange word, right? But they're actually pretty simple to master once you get the hang of them. The umlaut changes the sound of the vowels O, and U. First one is umlaut. Sounds like eh. Say it again. Eh. Next is O umlaut. Is pronounced as O. Repeat, O. Last one is U umlaut. U is pronounced as U. One more time. U. Awesome. Now that you know the German alphabet and how to pronounce each letter, let's put them into action. Apple pronounced as Apfel. Try saying it with me. Apfel. Leg is called Bein in German. Pronounce it one more time, Bein. CD will be pronounced as CD. Say it, CD. Straße is called street in English. Say it one more time, Straße. I've uploaded a document on Google Drive that contains all the German alphabets along with example words and their pronunciations. Make sure to download it and practice regularly. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly German lessons. Next time, we'll learn days of the week in German. Tschüss, and see you soon.